This is another beautiful day as I welcome you to Menalights TV once again. So as we have started with handling data, we look at how to find the mode, the mean, and the median, as well as how to draw the frequency table or use the frequency table to find the mode, mean, and median. And now we want to look at this past question, this certificate examination. So the following is a record of scores obtained by 30 JSS 2 Form 2 pupils in a test mark out of 5. So we have 5, 3, 4. So these are the marks obtained. So you have to construct a frequency table for the data. Then you use the table to find the mode, the median, and the mean. Then see if a pupil is picked at random from the class, what is the probability that he or she scored 4 marks. So here we have the table. We have the smallest score, which is 1, and then the highest score, which is 5. So we are going to use this set of data to fill or to complete the frequency table that we have here. So we have the score, tally, frequency, and then the fx. So the first number we have there is 5, 3, and 4. So 5, 3, 4. Then we have 4. We have 3, 4, 3. So 3, 4, 3. Then we have 2, 2, 1. 2, 2, 1. Then we have 4, 3, 2. So 4, 3, 2. Then 5, 4, 2. We have 5, 4, 2 there. So 5, 4, and 2. So after 5, 4, 2, we have 2, 5, 3. So 2, 5, and 3. So once we have 1, 2, 3, 4, the fifth one, we use the word to cross it. We use the fifth one to cross it. Then after that we have 4, 3, 3. So 4. So this is the fifth one. So we use to cross it. 3, 3. Then we have 3, 4, 2. 3, 4, and 2. Then after that we have 1, 3, 4. So we have our 1, 3, 4. So after the 1, 3, 4, you have 1, 2, and 3. So 1, 2, and 3 here. So this is the tally of the record of scores that we have there. So 1, there are 1, 2, 3. So the 1 is 3 there. So since we have 1 as 3, that means 1 times 3. So or 1 plus 1 plus 1 will give us what? 3. We have our 3 here as the fx, the frequency times the x or the scores. Then we come to score 2. The score 2, we are having 7 strokes. So that is, we put a 7 there. So 7 times 2 gives us 14. So we have our 14 there as well. Then when you come to score 3, the score 3 is giving us 10. We have 10 there. So 3 times 10 or 3 plus 3 plus 3 till 10 times will give us what? 30. So we have our 30 here as well. Then we come to score 4, which is 7. Then we come to score 5, which is 3. So 4 times 7 will give us 28. We have the 28 there, and then the 5 times 3 will give us 15. So as we have there. So now let's add and see what we have. So 3 plus 4 will give us 7, and then 7 plus 5 will give us 12, and then 12 plus the 8 here will give us what? 20. So we have our 0 here with 2, carry 2. Then 1 plus 2 will give us 3. 3 plus 3 will give us 6. 6 plus 1 will give us 7. And then 7 plus 2 will give us 9. So here we have 90 here. So the total of these as we have, this and this will give us 10. 7 plus 3 will give us 10. Plus 10 will give us 20. 20 plus 7, 27 plus 3. Then we have 30 here as well. So now we have completed the frequency table. So we have the total frequency, which is 30. Then the numbers that we have, all these numbers, when we add all of them, 5, 4, add to the last one, 3 here. When we add all of them, we are going to get 90. So now we are done with that one. Now we come to the first question. Find the mode. So A, mode. How do we find the mode? We said the mode is the number with the highest frequency, or the score with the highest frequency. So from here, the highest frequency here is 10. So 2 is having 3, 1 is having 3, 2 is having 7, 3 is having 10, 4 is having 7, and then the 5, they only got 3 there. So this means that 3 occurs 10 times, and that is the highest. So the mode there is what? 3 marks. Or the modal score is 3. Now let's go to the median. Which one do we have in the middle? So median. So the median means the middle value, the number we have in the middle, when you arrange from the smallest to the highest. So here, since we use the frequency table, there's no need writing all the numbers from, or arranging the numbers from the smallest to the highest. What we have to do is what? We look at the total frequency here. So the total frequency here is what? Is 30. So when you divide that 30 into 2, we are going to get what? 15. So we are going to count from the top and see where we can locate our 15. And the same way we count from the down and see where we can locate the 15. Now let's start from the down. 3 plus 7 will give us 10. That means the 15 is still ahead. So here we have 10 here. So plus 10 will give us 20. That means our 15 is here. So when we count from the top to 3 plus 7 will give us 10, which is not yet up to 15. Then we add the 10 to it. It's also giving us a 20, which means that our 15 too is here. And that means since all the 2 are landing on the same frequency, that means the number 3 is the median of all the scores that we have there. So the median is what? Is 3 marks, or the score 3. Then from there we come to the mean. We say the mean is what? The summation of all these numbers. So when you add all these numbers and divide by the number of them, that is going to give you what? The average or the mean. So from here, when you add all of them, that is 90 divided by the total number of them, which is 30. So that is where the formula of the mean is what? Summation fx divided by summation f. So the summation fx is a 90. So 90 divided by the total 30. So when you divide 90 into 30 parts, we are going to get what? 3. So that means our mean score is 3 marks. Then we come to C. C says, what is the probability that a student chosen as random score 4 marks? So probability, so P for probability of event is equal to number of events over number of total outcome. Number of events over number of total outcome. So when you look at this, the question says how many people score 4? What is the probability that a student chosen as random score 4 marks? So here, the number of people that score 4 marks are what? 7 over the total number of students in the class. So that means that 7 students scored 4 marks out of the total 30 that we have. So that event, the event there is what? Is 7. And then the total outcome is what? 30. So that probability is going to be 7 out of 30. So the 7 out of 30 is the probability that a student chosen as random score 4 marks. So thank you so much for watching today's episode. Remember to subscribe to this channel for more updates. Stay tuned for more on this handling data.